จังเลยค่ะ
Hey, babe, come here.
That's what ain't nobody got time for that.
You're right. Here at Operation Lose the Big Back, we walk on the treadmill while playing Call of Duty. I've been doing this a little over a year now. I've lost 85 pounds. I started off at 381 pounds. I'm down to 296. If you want to follow my journey, just hit that button. My wife is going to start joining me on these. She's going to either be reading manga or watching anime. Right now, we got the Fairly Odd Parents on. All right, let's get it, boys.